Alright, so let's make this character an enemy. To do this, simply go back to your game, and here we'll first thing we'll do is uncheck this, so one shows up for now. Then save the scene, and now you guys have to simply go to the level 1 inside enemy Croc 2, duplicate it like this, go back to your scene, and nothing is selected yet, so press F, and if nothing shows up here, again press F, and nothing shows up here again. So now simply go on to object 27. Now press F, it will zoom in kinda here, and as you can see, it was for the Croc. Now we want to replace this 3D material, 3D thing. So simply drag and drop our character here with the this was our character that we want to put, and before doing that we can also simply put the materials here, so we will lock this here and head back to our textures and drag and drop the materials. First one was for the body, and rest of them was for face, so we'll put it here. And now if we can see how it looks, so go on to your rig, from generic to humanoid, press apply, and then go back to this enemy Croc and drag and drop this new character here, rename to as you can see it's not centered much, so we will unlock it here again, set it to 0 0 and 0. This kinda messed up, so what we will do is if we can delete this Croc here or uncheck it here and go back to hurricane kick and put this back to here. So now we have also solved the resize issue here. Oops, should not have scaled it, so let's choose 1 1 and 1 here again, and inside the hurricane kick we will simply set to we'll simply delete it here, and now we will put the model here again, so it's better scaled. So it looks kinda like this, and if it's not looking, you can simply put it back to the base root level of the scene, and now press it to 1 1 and 1, and now if you see, it looks much better. And go back to hurricane, and here set the rotation to something like this, make sure its feet are on the ground, and now if you place it, another thing that we'll do is, if we select the Croc here, copy this component, NavMesh component, paste it here, remove this Animator component, simply remove it, paste it here, paste component as new. So we have now the NavMesh agent, which is far bigger than expected. So to resize it, what we will do is decrease the radius, adjust the height here like this. Quality would be low, since we don't want it to be heavy on calculations. And now if you can see, the problem here is that it starts from way below. So we'll put it up like this, and uh, select all these components, or if you can go back to this value here, and it's not centered at all. That is because I think it's because it starts from the NavMesh surface. That's the problem. So for now, let's put it to something like this, even though its height is far bigger than what it should be. And now what we're gonna do is rename this to enemy Vegas or Popstar. And now what we'll do is uh, inside this enemy animations, either we will duplicate it, so if we can select it from here, so if we go to this project, this, and unlock this one, and now if we go on to the enemy animations and simply double click this, or now if we can lock it and double click it, so we have a copy of it, and now I will put it in the popular and select it from here. So this is our controller, and this is our enemy animations one. Avatar would be of avatar will be this character here, this one. And now we are good to go, I think. So this is our Croc, and let's copy this, or progress bar position, and copy these values, or simply put it to so these values are what needs to be as it these values needs to be as it is. So if only thing we can do is set their positions. Progress bar enemy, and this I think replicates a value, so simply drag and drop it for now back to hurricane kick. And now if we can see, it scales a bit off, and now we can turn this off or remove it if you want to. And now we can play it again. The box collider is here, and in our character the box, we can't see the box collider, so we will copy it, copy component, or simply create it here in our Elvis body geo at add component box collider, which is bigger than expected, so we'll resize it. And for resizing, what we needed was simply set the scale to 111 and center to 0 0 and 0. This does the job, but this does, so this is fine, I guess. And or increase to 1.3 1.3 1.3. And now if we can play it to see how it goes, so we'll put it in the level 2, or simply first put it in the level 1 to see. Yep, so if we can create an if we go back to level 2, or let's play it here, and then we'll simply put it to so Now we'll drag and drop this enemy Vegas and put it like this and select its body. It looks a bit scaled, but we will solve that issue in a second as well. Let's keep it as it is, and now if we play it, let's see how it reacts. Here it throws an error. Let's check what's the error. So it says that it's not placed on a NavMesh, and we will look this in the next tutorial how we can solve it further.